Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some new ways in which you can use up skincare products that just did not work for you. I have a previous video on the same topic, so I will leave a link for you guys up in the eye. You can go ahead and watch that video once you're done watching this video. I feel like during this pandemic, we bought so much skincare thinking it's going to give us the glowiest skin of our life, and now it's the nightmare of that life. And if you're on that same boat as I am, then you've landed at the right video. I wanted to make sure I get the most out of the money I spent on these products, and this video is going to be the answer to your problems too. So yes, without any further ado, if you want to know some amazing ways in which you can use up products that are just sitting in the corner because they are just not meant for your beautiful face, then please keep on watching. Let's start off by talking about lip balm, because you guys know I'm the Lip Balm Addicts Association president, and with so many lip balms out there, there are bound to be some that won't work for you guys. Sadly for me, that was the For Essential Sugared Rose Petal Lip Balm, which is a gorgeous lip balm to look at. It looks so beautiful, but for my lips it did absolutely nothing. A way in which you can use your lip balms that don't work for you is as a fragrance layer. Now with so many waxes and butters present in a lip balm, it will elongate your fragrance. So all you need to do is apply a little bit of your lip balm on your pulse point, which is the strongest perfume point, and then spritz your perfume on top of it. So even if a lip balm won't provide you moisture on your lips, it can at least make you smell good all throughout the day. The next category we're going to talk about are facial oils. Now I'm a Sahara Desert dry person, so facial oils for me are an absolute must, but sometimes they just don't work out in the way you imagine they would, and for me that was the Farsali Volcanic Elixir. Now this is a very thick oil that stings my eyes and makes them water every single time I apply it, so I physically cannot apply this oil. And if you have an oil that just does not suit your face well, what you can do is take a couple of drops of this oil and add a loose highlighter to it, or you can use any eyeshadow that goes well with your skin tone. Mix it up and use it as a body glow oil. This will just make your body look so radiant, so nice, and moisturize your body as well. So it's a two-in-one thing. You're getting skincare and that beautiful healthy radiant glow that's very instant on the go. So if there's an oil that's sitting in the corner of your cupboard not getting any use out of it, this is the best way to use it up. Let's move on to a category that's super trendy right now but not meant for everyone. I'm talking about strong chemical exfoliators. With the surge of chemical exfoliators in the market and everyone out there buying it and then realizing it's not meant for them only after applying it, this one is the perfect way to use it up. Now I have the Thwak chemical exfoliator with me right here. I quickly want to clarify that I don't dislike this product. It's just that I don't have a chemical exfoliator that I dislike enough to put in this video. So this is just an example and nothing else. But if you have a chemical exfoliator that is making your skin barrier too weak, the best way of using it up is as a foot peel. Now feet has the thickest skin on our body, and the barrier on the foot skin is not as weak as it is on our face skin. So you can apply it on your feet, keep it on for 8 to 10 minutes and wash it off. This would make sure you have a baby soft skin on your feet, and you won't need pedicures as often as you do right now, because this would ensure that the skin cell turnover is quicker on the feet as well, and it would keep your feet healthy and happy. And the last category I want to talk about are Miscella waters. Again, I do not dislike this Miscella water. I actually quite like this one, but I don't have a Miscella water right now with me that I do not like at all. So this one is just an example. Now a great way of using a Miscella water that's just not working enough on your face is using it as a brush cleaner. All you need to do is take a little bit of your Miscella water in a cup, just dip your brushes in there for about 5 minutes, and then just rub it against a brush cleaning mat, a tissue, or whatever you want to rub it against. It can also be your hand. This would instantly break all of the makeup down that's stuck in your brushes, and it would make sure your brushes are clean and sanitized. Another thing that you can use for the same purpose is a shampoo that's not working out for you. For me, that has to be Mamaearth Tea Tree shampoo. I do not like this shampoo at all, so the best way of using it up is as a brush cleaner. All you need to do is take a little bit of the shampoo, add some water to it, mix it up so it's a little thinner and not as thick as the shampoo, and then again you can just swivel your brushes in there to break all of that makeup down. I think this would work best for your powder brushes because the shampoo does not have the ability to break makeup down, which has more emollients in it. So maybe use this for your eyeshadow brushes, blush brushes, or powder brushes, and you can use the Miscella water for your foundation or your concealer brushes, which have a little bit more creaminess to it. But yes, with that I finish all of my tips for this particular video of using skincare that did not work for your face in other ways to make sure you get the most out of your money. Do let me know if you'd like me to do more such videos and come up with more ideas in which you can use skincare products that do not work for you, and if yes, which category should we talk about next? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Bye.